Okay, so here we got one side of the cement mold for the soap dish. So we're going to go through the settings. Quality 0.2 is good for these. Strength, so the wall loops, six wall loops will do nicely. Infill density 60%, so make it strong enough for casting. Then the speed, I like to slow down the speed for the layer infill at the beginning, because otherwise it doesn't stick to the plate. We enable supports. Also, we printed the mold with the inside of the mold to the top, so the supports will be in the outside. So here we can see the mold ready for printing. You can see the layers there on the supports on the inside, underneath. So this is going to be printed in PETG, which I don't have it set up at the moment in here, but yeah, you will select the filament PETG or something similar. If you like this type of videos and you don't want to lose any of the free files that I will giving away, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.